In this video, I'm going to show you how to check chat history on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you love to check the chat history on your Instagram, head over to your Instagram, right? First you need to head over to your messages, right? This is our messages, and yeah, from here you'll be able to see the primary messages, right? That is the primary message, those that you have messaged, and those that are chatting with. So I think I've sent, I think, two of these people messages, right? I sent Trevones a video on January 4th, right, in 25. I sent Jordan Welch, same, right? So as well, you can see the general, you can see your message requests and all of them, right? So this is basically how you can check your chat history here on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.